Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. My name is Karen Newton and I'm the founder of Karen Newton International, which is a global education company helping people build wealth through business, property, digital investments and commodities. So today I wanted to talk about thoughts. Just what you think about what is happening out there in the markets at the moment and in the world. And it's actually a very painful time for many people because we have what everyone's referring to as a perfect storm, as though it's unusual that all these events are occurring. Yet it's become the norm. We see so much of this every day that it's actually the new norm. And are we prepared for what is happening out there and how we can survive and thrive during these times? A couple of weeks ago, I was watching a movie which had a phrase that was repeated a couple of times, and it said, "Chance favors a prepared mind." And it made me think about the fact that there is so much negativity out there and it's around us all the time. Yet as an investor, we have to find the negative because that's where the positives are for us. That's where we find our investment opportunities. So when markets are going down, and everyone's panic selling because prices are dropping, investors are the people who are there buying. Right? We go contrarian to what happens in the market. So when everything is dropping, we are the people who are there buying. When the markets start recovering and everything starts going up in price and people start buying again, we're the ones who are there selling because we've made our money. We've bought low, we've sold high. We've worked around the negativity that's there and we've looked for the opportunities. And that's what we need to look at when we look at everything that is happening around, all the negativity that is around us all the time. It's how to find those positives that are in the negatives. Now, there's a lot of people who say, switch it off, don't listen to it, you want to stay away from that. And that is true. But when you're an investor, you have to take those negatives to find the positives and to find the investment opportunities. And when you study what happens out there in the markets, those opportunities are all around us. And internally, we have to have a prepared mind looking for those opportunities. And how often have you heard someone say, "Oh, they were lucky, they were in the right place at the right time"? No, they were prepared. They were waiting for the opportunities to come to them. So chance favored them because they had a prepared mind. Now today is a day where we're waiting for reports to come out from countries. I've seen information around the economy in the UK saying that job vacancies are down. First time since the pandemic, job vacancies are lower. Inflation is up and we are seeing record inflation. We're waiting for the figures to come out from the US, which again is expected to be high inflation. But out of all these negatives there are opportunities, huge opportunities for investors. So when you learn investing and when you learn how to look for the opportunities that are out there, you can actually switch the bad news into good news. because you have found opportunities to invest and make money. Chance favours the prepared mind. So my question to you today is, what are you doing to make sure that you can take advantage of the opportunities that are out there? Are you learning what you need to learn about investments to identify those opportunities? And I'll go back to the phrase, chance favours the prepared mind. Are you prepared?